Dex Screener Tutorial, Best Settings for Solana Meme Coins. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you the best settings that you could have so you could see the best meme coins that are currently available over here that are worth investing to. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify our filter settings. So our filter, you can see over here at the top, these are our different filters. The first thing that you're going to do or you're going to select is the new pairs over here. Click on new pairs to enable that specific setting. Click on newest over here as well. After that, scroll to the right and click on our filters. We're going to customize our filters over here. So we have all our different options over here. So there are three things that I'm going to focus on. So for our liquidity, we're going to click on minimum over here. You're going to put in $1,000 over here as the minimum. For the market cap, for the minimum over here, you're going to put $800 or 800,000 over here. And for our market cap, that's the max, we're going to put 1 billion. So 9 dots over here or 3 dots. After that, for our pair age, for the maximum, you're going to put 0.18. Or if it's no longer available, simply put 1 as your maximum. And after that, click on apply. And you should be able to see the best options that are available as of now, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.